Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Levent Geiger here. Highly appreciated here on Gordon Guitar. This time we have a song called Lost here, and this is based upon the live performance there recently. So let's take a look at Levent's Lost here. So we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We will have a different ending there with the picking pattern if you wish. Otherwise, it's just straight strumming and chords from the beginning to the very end. Let's start this one up. And he plays it with a capo on the 3rd fret there in the live version. So capo on 3rd, and we have the chords A minor, C, G, and E minor. Let's take a look at the chords starting with A minor. So that's the first chord, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then you go to C, this little motion here, and you land on the C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then you have the G, and he plays it just here on the bass strings. He let the top notes there out of this, so that will be just 3rd on E, 2nd on A, then open D, open G, and open B. And we'll leave the last E string out of the strumming parts. So just this grip, and then you have the E minor motion to this place here on the fretboard. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so that's the chord progression through the entire song. A minor, C, G, E minor. Very easy, all right? So we have a strumming pattern that is very easy as well. Let's start with A minor and take a look at the strumming. One round will be down, down, up, down, up. Like that. So the first 2 downs, the first down here, you're gonna play on the bass strings. And the next down, but below there on the mid top strings. So down, down. And then short pause, and then comes the up, down, up. So down, down, pause, up, down, up. Couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. Alright, so it will be 1 strumming round per chord, A minor, C, G, and E minor, like this. And again, when you come to the G, try to stick with the strumming hand on the bass or mid strings and try to avoid the last E string there. It's not, life and death, but anyway, play mid or bass, and that's the better scenario. All right. So then we have, and then there the picking pattern here. It goes like this. That's 1 round. I'm gonna teach you that as well. That's just for the last 2 chord progression rounds, so you could let that go, but I wanna show you that anyway. And if you go to the A minor, we have the same picking pattern, just different bass notes here. So for A minor, you're gonna play on the A string, then D string, then you're gonna play the G and B together, and back to the D. So A, D, G, B, D, A, D, G, B, D. Same string, same pattern for the C chord. Right? Then we'll have the G and E minor played in the same way. Now you have the bass note on the E string, so all the other strings are the same. So starting with E, then D, then G, B, and back to D. And the same goes for E minor. E, D, G, B, D. You're gonna play 2 picking rounds per chord for this one. So it goes a little bit faster than the strumming, so like this. And that's how Levent Geiger's Lost live version ends. So I hope you enjoyed this. A great guitar song, and if you love Levent, this is especially something to look up. So thank you for watching, guys. Please support me here. Click the like and subscribe button. Until next time, play tuned.